Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Eurotrader. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Eurotrader is a registered brand of Eurotrade investments and is a fully licensed and regulated retail broker that was founded in 2018. This broker is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, the Financial Market Supervisory Authority, and the Financial Sector Conduct Authority. Eurotrader offers 24-hour customer support, commission-free stock trading, tight spreads, and thousands of tradable CFDs. As a Eurotrader client, you can choose from 3 types of live trading accounts that can be used on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. You will also have access to Eurotrader's proprietary social trading platform, in-depth market analytics, and advanced trading tools. Eurotrader offers a wide range of stocks, cryptocurrencies, Forex pairs, indices and commodities. There are more than 50 tradable currency pairs, popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin and Ethereum, as well as dozens of other instruments that you can add to your portfolio. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with Eurotrader, click on the Markets tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 500 when trading with Eurotrader, depending on your level of experience and the account you use. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you'll be exposing yourself to far greater financial risks and to do so with caution. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Eurotrader customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket directly from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the contact page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. Eurotrader offers a 111% deposit bonus, which will be applied to deposits from $50. A maximum bonus of $22,000 can be claimed depending on how much you deposit. So if you are ready to take your trading career to the next level, this is a great way to boost your portfolio. Eurotrader provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. You can easily find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions offered by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the page. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you can choose an option from the Markets, Learn, or Trade tabs. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find direct links to legal documentation, policies, as well as terms and conditions. We recommend reading through the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit, if you do decide to join this broker. Eurotrader offers competitive conditions for trading CFDs, and this broker's accounts are suitable for all styles of trading. As a client, you can trade on either MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or the Eurosocial trading platform, which makes Eurotrader an excellent choice for copy trading. There are multiple accounts to choose from, as well as demo accounts and a swap-free account. This broker is beginner-friendly and provides premium educational content, along with plenty of resources for analysis and research. As a Eurotrader client, you can use either MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or Eurosocial. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. This platform offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, as well as easy-to-read interactive charts that you can monitor and analyze the markets with in real time. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010 and has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and so much more. This platform can be downloaded for free from the official MetaTrader website and is beginner-friendly and suitable for all styles of trading, as well as automated trading and hedging. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a fantastic option for traders who are interested in automating their trading strategies. MetaTrader 4 and 5 share many similarities. However, MetaTrader 5 can be used to trade more instruments, and it offers a multi-threaded, multi-currency strategy tester. MetaTrader 5 also has more timeframes, more order types, and an economic calendar. MetaTrader 4 and 5 can be downloaded for free from this broker's website, Google Play, or the official MetaTrader websites. You will be able to use these platforms on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4 and 5, click on the Trade tab for a full list of features and direct download links. If you are interested in copy trading, we recommend checking out Eurosocial, which is Eurotrader's proprietary social trading platform. Eurosocial is a beginner-friendly mobile application that makes it easy to follow trades and stay in touch with the Eurotrader community. Copy trading is a low-risk alternative to using a demo account, which allows beginners and experienced traders to trade in real markets using real money, but without the need to constantly do research or manage their trades manually. The customer support team can be reached directly from the Eurosocial application, and to start copying trades, all you need to do is create an account, download their application, and choose a strategy provider. It's that simple. You can find out more about the tools and platforms this broker offers under the Trade tab. There are 3 types of accounts that you can open with Eurotrader, and this broker also offers swap-free accounts and demo accounts. The first type of account offered is a micro account. This account requires the lowest minimum deposit, however has the highest spreads. The advantage of using the micro account is that you can trade stocks and Forex, commission-free, and you will have access to higher leverage. You can also open a zero account, which has tighter spreads, but requires a higher activation deposit of at least $500 US. This account is available as either a zero spread account with low commissions on Forex, or a zero commission account with slightly higher spreads from 0.6 pips on average. The Hero account is designed for experts and offers VIP trading conditions. However, this account requires a deposit of at least $250,000 US. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend practicing using a demo account first until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. When you open a swap-free account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. In order to learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Eurotrader offers, click on the Trade tab and head over to the Account Types page. Creating an account with Eurotrader will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is free and easy. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Eurotrader homepage, and then click on the Start Trading button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified and set up, you can log in to the client portal. Once within their client portal, you can check on your accounts, open live or demo accounts, view video courses and ebooks, contact support, and much more. After your account is set up and verified, and you have chosen your preferred account type, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Eurotrader. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. A minimum deposit of at least $50 is required to open an account with Eurotrader, depending on the account you choose. And your account can be funded using US dollars, euros, pounds, or South African rands. You can make a withdrawal using bank cards, bank transfers, Ozao or Skrill, and transactions will be processed instantly. If you fund your account using bank transfers, it may take up to 3 days for the transaction to be processed. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. Under their Learn tab, you will find a great selection of basic and advanced video tutorials, ebooks, and in-depth trading guides. Eurotrader also provides daily market commentary, so we would recommend bookmarking this page and checking it often to see what's driving the markets. This broker also provides an economic calendar that will give you fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets, consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice using your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. Overall, Eurotrader is one of our top choices for social trading, and this broker provides reliable, high-quality resources, 24-hour customer support, and flexible account types. Eurotrader offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Eurotrader. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.